We all know that commercials can be misleading. And there's nothing worse than spending your hard-earned allowance on a new toy and finding out that it doesn't work as advertised. Luckily for you, Jack is a toy expert, and he's willing to give you his honest review of products regardless of any sponsorships or endorsements he may have. Today we are taking a look at the Easy Bake Oven, and we're going to let you know. Did we hit the jackpot with this product, or is it just a big old piece of junk? Welsh's Workshop presents
Junk or Jackpot! We're going to start trying the cheese pizza and then the whoopie pie. Good? Good. Okay. Why is it red?
because it's pizza sauce.
Hold on. The cheese. How much water is in this one? A little more than the last one?
Same as before, 1.5 teaspoons.
Do we miss it with the spoon?
Yep.
It's getting green. Why is it turning green?
Because there's herbs in there.
That's warm. Want to feel it?
Mm-hmm. Here's what the cheese looks like when it's all mixed up. Here is the marinara sauce. You ready to pour the egg wash mix into the bowl?
Was this a little more than those two?
Yeah, that was more.
Like,
The other two were 1.5 teaspoons. That one was 2 tablespoons. This is what the glaze looks like after it's all mixed up. Next, we are going to make the pizza dough.
this one do you have to mix up too?
Yeah, we're going to mix that up, but first I need to put 2.5 teaspoons of water in.
But this one, do you have to put more water in it?
Nope, this one's a little bit less than the last one.
You know what's last is probably, are we mixing it up?
Yep, let me get you a clean spoon.
Okay. Both spin.
Hold the bowl with your other hand. There you go.
It's all done? When are we gonna roll all the dough with our hands?
That's the next step. Hands. You want them to put flour on your hands so it's not so sticky?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So it's not so chubby. Do we rub them?
Go like this. Okay, now I take the ball. See? Now it won't stick.
Roll it up in your hands.
There you go.
Oh, like
Just like that. No, make it look like a baseball, not a weenie.
Roll it like this.
Can you put a little more powder on my hands? Yay, smell my poop. When I want to eat and I want to shit.
Hey,
But
don't swear on the camera. You're
I'm
gonna be in
not.
big trouble.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
Flatten each ball of dough like a pancake and shape it into a circle.
Just put your finger on there like that. There you go. Good job.
There, good. Can I do it?
Yeah.
Good. Good.
Yeah, let's move this one over. And do that last one. Good job. That was perfect.
Thanks.
Okay, the next step is to use this brush,
Okay.
and you're gonna put
Brush
this
it,
glaze
brush
on top of those pieces of dough.
Back for more. Back for some more. Back for some more. You're spinning. gonna put the darn pepperoni on.
These are cheese pizzas. There's no pepperoni.
Good.
You got the last one to do. Okay, I guess that's as good as
Can we
did
make
it.
the cheese?
Let me show you how to do it.
It turned into little pieces of cheese.
Did it?
Yeah. That's exactly how you do it.
That's crazy.
See?
You cut. So the next step was to put the cheese mix in this plastic bag, and then you cut a corner of the bag off and squeeze a little bit out at a time to make it look like cheese.
That's crazy. Good job, Jack.
Thanks. It's pooping. It looks like it's taking a dump. We will put some cheese on there. And then I'm going to take all of them off.
All right, time's up. You ready to see how it turned out?
Yeah. It's good. How hot do you think that is?
Pretty hot.
Why? Anyway, that was pretty quick.
14 minutes was pretty quick.
Yeah. Look like just like little mini hamburgers.
Try your pizza. Yummy.
Gross.
Is that yummy?
Yeah. Gross.
Gross?
Yes.
You don't want to eat it?
Yes.
Take a bite.
The,
No?
the green stuff is literally just green cheese.
Oh, here, I'll take the green stuff off.
The green is cheese.
I know, but he doesn't like the look of it.
Is it up or down?
Is it yummy, Max?
Yes.
That's how much Max likes his pizza.
Somebody want me to cook on the grill? Yeah.
Is it good? Your face is saying otherwise.
Is it good?
No. Not good.
No. All that work for nothing?
Hey Jack, how did you like that cheese pizza?
Jump!
Max, how did you like it?
Next we're going to try the whoopie pies.
Today we're using
Welcome back to Junk or Jackpot.
Today we're gonna do the mini whoopie pies to see if these are any better than the cheese pizza that we tried last time.
It's probably going to be thumbs up. Hi. Good, Dad.
Flour?
Okay, first we have to make the cake batter. So pour 1 brownie mix and 1 teaspoon of water into a bowl.
Good job, Max. Okay, you gotta wait for your water. You're welcome.
That's okay.
Grandma will help.
Mom?
No,
No,
that's
now
all
you
the
gotta
water you
stir
need.
it. You need to stir it.
Stir it. You're not doing that very
That's
good.
okay.
Thanks. Now stir it up. Stir it up and stir. Ooh,
Uh-oh.
that's okay.
Yeah.
Me?
Yeah, you mix yours.
That's mine. This is
Really?
mine.
Let's put some flour on your hands and see if we can get this rolled into a ball.
Here, put your hand out.
That's a good.
Is
Put
it
your
good
hand
so
out.
far?
Give me your other hand. Okay, rub your hands together.
Mine?
Okay, good.
Voila.
You need more water?
Yeah.
I think you have too much water.
More.
Here, buddy.
Oh.
No, that's Jack's. There's your water.
Hey.
Stay in your own bowl.
Okay, you gotta make 4 more of those circles. Well, I think Jack gives a thumbs up on the batter.
Yeah. Thumbs up battery.
You got to make 3 more. That's okay.
Push it off my
Looking good. How's that chocolate? Okay, these get baked for 9 minutes, and then while those are in there, then we make the frosting.
Here's your orange one. Take me out. See what I want to eat.
Whoa. I'm all done.
Okay,
The ball bun.
pour that in.
Is that a little more than the other?
Yep,
Why?
because that's 1.5 teaspoons. The last one was only 1 teaspoon.
Oh.
Stir until smooth.
Good job, guys.
Mom, I'm stirring this.
How's it looking?
Pretty good. Mom.
Yep.
Mom.
Try it.
Mom.
Max, try some. Let me know how it tastes.
Good.
Do I need to
Try
put
them?
more powdered sugar in there?
Doesn't it look like brownies, camera?
Yeah, they do. They do look just like brownies. Those are probably gonna be pretty good.
Yeah, they're probably. This cream is not good.
What's wrong? You don't like the icing?
No, it's probably gonna be thumbs down.
Why?
Because the cream.
The icing's not good?
No. Are you
Okay,
putting
so-
it on the bottom?
I already got them flipped over the correct way. So just take a spoonful of frosting, put a little bit on each one, and then we're gonna take this and go like that, and each of them will be a sandwich,
Oh.
like so.
Got it. A little bit on this one. Good. Yeah. How good is that popcorn gonna be?
They kind of look like Oreos,
They are Oreos.
creamier.
They are Oreos, but they just don't have the white on them. And they're just bigger. Told you.
All right, there's only 3 of them, so who gets to try one? Jack, you gotta try it.
Mmm.
Is
Come
it
here,
a
baby.
jackpot?
It's a jackpot for sure.
Try it, Carly.
Take a little bite. Take a little bite.
Mmm. Jackpot.
There's no frosting on that. Mmm.
Hey, Carly,
Yeah.
you can have the most of it.
You want me to have that one with all of the frosting?
Yeah. And Matt can have the one with less. How good is it?
That's good.
I know.
I think Gary's gonna want one of those.
Try it.
Mmm, it is good.
I know.
Good job.
2
Okay.
thumbs up, I think.
Good job.
Thanks. You're welcome.
Now get baking more, boy.
It's fair to say the Easy Bake Oven received mixed reviews. While on one hand the pizza wasn't edible, the whoopie pies were pretty good. If you are going to buy an Easy Bake Oven, it's a safer bet to choose the dessert recipes rather than the ones that involve making dough, like the pizza or soft pretzels. And while the whoopie pies did taste good, that's just because it's hard to mess up the flavor of cake mix and icing. So while Jack and Max definitely did have a good time mixing up the ingredients and licking the spoon, I don't see why you would want to spend $35 on this bulky plastic oven when they could help with the prep work of real recipes that can go in the real oven and taste much better. Of course, there are more recipes to try, and maybe those ones taste better. But from our experience, it pains me to say it, but the Easy Bake Oven is junk.
Okay, turn around, look at Grandma.
Hey, little Gary, I want you to try this.
You to try it? Is this your pizza?
Yeah? How little is it?
It's a little pizza. Yum.
How good is it?
Good. It's a 10.
Our next video after this time, can we make a video of all of that sunscreen stuff?
Yeah, is that what you want to do next? We could do sunscreens and bug sprays one day?
Yeah. And now it doesn't need to be washed, so clean.